Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Hub channel. Today, we're talking about an important topic, foods that can actually harm your prostate health. Whether you're looking to prevent issues or manage an existing condition like an enlarged prostate or prostatitis, diet plays a crucial role. So stick around, because we're diving into the top 5 foods that you might want to avoid if you're serious about keeping your prostate healthy. 1. Processed meats. First on our list are processed meats, things like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. These foods are high in unhealthy fats, salt, and preservatives, which have been linked to inflammation. Chronic inflammation can harm prostate health and may increase the risk of developing prostate cancer. If you're a fan of these meats, consider switching to lean, unprocessed options like grilled chicken or turkey. 2. High-fat dairy. Next up is high-fat dairy products like whole milk, cheese, and butter. Research has shown that a diet rich in saturated fats may be associated with an increased risk of prostate issues. Consuming these types of dairy products in large quantities can raise your levels of bad cholesterol and lead to inflammation, both of which negatively impact prostate health. Opt for low-fat or plant-based alternatives instead. 3. Alcohol. We all know that moderation is key when it comes to alcohol, but overindulging can be especially harmful to your prostate. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to inflammation and worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate, such as frequent urination. Beer is particularly bad because it's often high in calories and carbohydrates, which can lead to weight gain, a known risk factor for prostate issues. 4. Red meat. While many people love their steaks and burgers, studies suggest that high consumption of red meat, especially when it's grilled or processed, can increase the risk of prostate cancer. When red meat is cooked at high temperatures, it can form harmful compounds that may damage cells, including those in the prostate. Consider limiting your intake of red meat and incorporating more plant-based proteins like beans or lentils. 5. Sugary foods. Finally, let's talk about sugar. High consumption of sugary foods and drinks like sodas, candy, and pastries can lead to weight gain and inflammation. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of prostate problems, including prostate cancer. Try to cut down on sugary treats and replace them with healthier options like fruits, nuts, or whole grains. And there you have it, folks. 5 of the most harmful foods for your prostate. If you're serious about taking care of your health, consider cutting back on these foods and replacing them with healthier alternatives. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.